With the Eaton wiring configurator, it's easy to find CAD downloads of the connectivity and control solutions you need, right from the website. From the homepage, click Products, and then select Wiring Devices and Connectivity. Here you can access tons of great information about the products you're looking for. Today, we'll select the Wiring Devices Configurator tool. Use the drop-down options on the left to adjust the product to fit your design needs. Meanwhile, the configurator generates an accurate part number that reflects your custom part. On the right, you see an interactive 3D preview of the product you configured, which you can rotate, pan, and zoom within the 3D viewer. When you're happy with the product, click Generate CAD, and then click Add Formats. Here you can choose from over 150 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works natively in your CAD software. You can also download a 3D PDF datasheet. This is great for those who need to access the product data, but don't need a large CAD file. Finally, click Start Generation. Once the file has loaded, click Download. For more high-quality solutions and support for your power management needs, visit Eaton.com and visit PartSolutions.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.